Hey, you want to see something scary? Boom. Climate change.
Climate change is a very important issue in today's world. It affects everyone, but it's like the top 1%, the wealthiest, the lucky few, don't really do anything about it. Eventually, we're all just going to be suffocating and needing to have oxygen masks wherever we go. Our world is dying. So, what causes all this chaos in the first place?
Some things that cause climate change are things we pretty much do every day, like deforestation, some uses of transportation, food production, generating and using power, human consumption, and the use of fossil fuels. So, let's go over some of them. Deforestation causes the death of 36 million trees a year. If we math, then 36 million trees equals a lot of trees a day. Each tree is important and contributes to climate change. Deforestation increases temperature and the distribution of rainfall, which, in turn, makes the climate dry. Another cause of climate change is transportation. Any form of transportation that uses gas, which is like most of them, release carbon dioxide, and that does a lot to global warming. The average car emits 8,887 grams of carbon dioxide per gallon of gas used. In 2021, 134 billion gallons of gas was used in that 1 year. In one whole year! That means we released almost 2 quadrillion grams of CO2! Like, goddamn, bruh! Why can't we just walk around to where we want to at this point? One more cause of climate change is fossil fuels. We use fossil fuels basically whenever we produce energy, and they affect things like ocean acidification, extreme weather, sea level rise, plastic pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and health issues. And after all these effects, we still be doing stuff that make it 10 times worse. I don't want to be coughing and sneezing every single time I step out of my house. So, what can you do about it though? We can slightly change our lifestyle to help with the climate, like not eating 24/7, actually recycling, walking or riding a bike instead of using cars, using wind or solar power, and maybe when you grow up, use an electric car instead of gas-powered ones. Plus, they're getting cheaper as time goes on, so might as well. To see what people actually think and do about climate change, I hosted a survey that like 10 people answered. And almost 75% of people know about climate change and have enough knowledge to actually discuss about it, which is pretty good. 60% actually do something about the climate, which is still okay. Pretty much everyone that took it recycled. But look at this. Like, why? You guys are monsters. I just expected it to be zero. And almost half answered that they do consistently see pollution. Like, bro, don't contribute to it, you goofballs. And the most concerning thing is that I asked if they cared about the world. A third of them said they'd rather see the world burn. But why the hell am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because of your future. What do you want to see when you go outside? Do you want to see lush and flourishing trees? The wilderness booming with life and wonders? Oceans clear as the sky and glistening with all their corals and marine life? With a cool or warm breeze hitting your face? Or do you want to experience something else? Do you want to leave your house and all the smoke, fog, pollution cover your view? Little to no plants and animals? When you go near their waters, what do you want to see? Corals white and lacking any marine life? The sea level rising? What about the temperature? Do you want to be met with the freezing cold? Or have the sun scorch your skin? What do you want to experience?